Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to locate professionals on LinkedIn who are currently open to work. For example, if I want to find a game developer, I'll simply type that into the search bar and press enter. To ensure we are looking at individual profiles, you must click on the People filter. Once selected, the results will update to show only relevant candidates. Take a close look at the profile pictures in the list. Any user displaying the green #OpenToWork banner is actively seeking new roles, just like the individual shown here. Even if you encounter a profile with restricted access, you can continue scrolling through the search results. Every person featuring that green frame is a candidate you are looking for. For more specific results, navigate to the All Filters section. This allows you to narrow down your search by location, current company, connections, or followers. You can also filter by previous employers, specific schools, industries, and even profile languages or volunteering preferences. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.